show you guys what she's doing here. She's just about to wash the rice. Zubaida mami, चावल धो रही हैं? So here we have the chicken inside the oil. Zubaida mami, इसमें ginger garlic paste भी है? She's adding some salt. Now she's adding some whole spices. ये है इधर लौंग and इलायची. So here we have the chicken cooking in the oil. तेल के अंदर chicken cook हो रहा है. थोड़ी इलायची दिख रही है, लौंग, ginger garlic paste. So अभी हम इसको इसमें cook करेंगे. So we will check up quickly on the biryani. You see, so the chicken is boiling in the oil along with the whole spices. जुबैदा मामी, ये कितने टाइम तक हमें इसको कुक करना पड़ेगा?
आधे घंटे, 15 मिनट तक लगेंगे.
15 मिनट तक इसमें कुक करेंगे, फिर इसमें हम चावल डालेंगे. So here she's added the rice and she's giving it some pressure. जुबैदा मामी, कितनी सीटियां लगेंगी इसको? एक pressure. One pressure with the rice. Bas, that's it. And along with the biryani, here we have some dahi with some red chutney. And here we have some salad, and we are just waiting biryani ke liye. So the biryani is almost ready. Here, so she was just checking the rice. Now she's adding some saffron, some saffron, mixed in some water, and this will give it the color. And she's also adding some kewda. So here we have some delicious chicken biryani made by Zubaida Mami. And here India is 100 for 3.